Hello students, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to learn a new concept in our third chapter, that is motion in a straight line, and our today's first topic is concept of point mass object. So first of all, let us know what is point mass object. An object can be considered as a point object if during motion in a given time it covers distance much greater than its own size. So what is point mass object? An object can be considered as a point object if during motion in a given time it covers distance much greater than its own size. For an example, if we talk about the revolution of Earth around the Sun, so the diameter of Earth being very small as compared to the length of its orbit around the Sun. Suppose this is the orbit around the Sun and this is our Earth. Now the diameter of Earth is, suppose this is the diameter of Earth and it is being very small as compared to the length of the orbit around the Sun. So the Earth can be regarded as a point object because the distance is too large as compared to the diameter of the Earth. So it can be neglected and we can say it is a point mass object. Let's understand with one more example. Similarly, a car traveling a few hundred kilometer distance can be taken as a point object, but if car is traveling a distance which is not very large as compared to the size of the car, then the car cannot be taken as a point object. So suppose this is a path and let's suppose it is 100 kilometer. So if we compare 100 kilometer to your car, so your car will be like this. So it is so small as compared to the length of the road that it cover, that means 100 kilometer. So it is a point object as compared to the road length. So we can neglect this and we can even call this a point mass object. And it is important that the point object is basically a mathematical concept to simplify the problem. Now we are over with the concept of a point mass object. Now let's move to the next topic, that is object in motion. So in object in motion we have three things. First is rest. So even I told about rest in my earlier lecture. Now one more time I am explaining what is rest. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time with respect to its surroundings. So an object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time with respect to its surrounding. Suppose a ball is placed on a table. This is your table and ball is placed on it, and now suppose it's 1 a.m. and you will see that ball at 2 a.m. So the position of the ball does not change with time with respect to its surrounding. So the object is said to be is at rest. Next is motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time with respect to its surroundings. So motion is an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time with respect to its surrounding. Let's again I am taking an example of car. Suppose your car is moving and it is here at point A, and after 5 minutes it is at point B. So the car change its position with time with respect to its surrounding. So the car is said to be in motion. Even we can say that a bird flying in air, a train moving on rails, a ship sailing on water, a man walking on road are some of the example of motion that is visible to our eye. But motion of gas molecule is an example of motion which is invisible to the eyes. Now next one is, this is interesting one, rest and motion are relative. It means an object in one situation can be at rest but in another situation, the same object can be in motion. So what they are trying to say, that it means an object in one situation can be at rest, but in another situation the same object can be in motion. For example, a person sitting in moving train is at rest with respect to the passenger with them, but is in motion with respect to the object outside the train. Suppose a coach in train, and you are sitting here, and here is the another person, and here is the another person. So with respect to the another person, you are at rest, but if you look outside the window of the train, then you are in the motion at respect to this person.